guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys could see by the title, I'm doing like a soft glam pink Valentine's Day look. So I'm so excited. I feel like I haven't filmed like a makeup look in so freaking long, guys. Like it's been a while. These past few months has been so crazy. I've been so busy with work, with school and all, and I just don't have time to do like a makeup video for you guys. By the way, don't mind my hair. I braided my hair and it looks crazy, but I braided so I could do this video today because I know I'm gonna be lazy to curl my hair. So this is like an easy alternative way to curl your hair. You guys will see at the end when I unravel my braids. All right, so I already prepped and primed my face. I'm gonna let that sit and I'm just gonna work on the eyes now. So for the eyes, I'm using this NYX Ultimate Utopia palette. My best friend gave me this for Christmas and I freaking love her. Thank you, best friend, for giving me this for Christmas. She also gave me another palette, but for some reason I do not know where I put it because my room is a mess. But look at these shades, guys. It's so freaking pretty. She knows me so well. Oh my goodness, I love it. So I think I'm gonna go in with this pink right here. It's like a light pink, and I'm gonna use that on my lid. Ooh, so pretty. And it's very pigmented too. Wow, that's so pretty. All right, so you guys could see like a soft pop of pink on my crease. So of course you guys know I love shimmer color on my lid. So I'm gonna go in with the shade right here. Oh, that is so pretty. I don't know if you guys could see that. It is very pigmented, as you guys could see. Like, I don't even have to spray my brush. I know it looks a bit crazy, but I'm taking the same brush that I use for my crease and I'm just blending it out because I do not have a clean brush right now. Actually I do have a clean brush, kind of. I'm just gonna use the Huda Beauty one and I'm just gonna blend it all out. Just know that blending is key. Gotta blend, blend, blend. So I'm gonna pop in some lashes. So my favorite lashes has been from Amazon. So this is the Valencia. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you guys can check it out. I actually got 2 packs of this, and this is like the mix lash. So there's like dramatic, there's a natural one, and there's like a medium one. This is how it looks. Obviously I have the natural, but it's on top of my counter. I don't want to use that today. So no lashes to lashes. I went with more of like a flirty type look, and I'm sorry if you guys hear background noises because my niece is in the room with me and she's like playing around with my makeup right now. Now I'm gonna move on to foundation. So today foundation, I'm gonna use the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation Plus Skincare. So this is how it looks right here. This is their new foundation and I'm in the shade, that will be in the bottom, light neutral 22. No, baby. She see I was about to put on foundation. She was about to give me a brush. Wait, okay, hold on. All right, so I just put like a pump here and then a pump there. So now I'm just taking my damp sponge and I'm just blending it out. And I really love this foundation, guys, because it's like really buildable. My niece. And don't forget your neck, guys. You guys do not want to look like 2 different colors. Look how flawless my skin looks, guys. Like, it looks so healthy. And it's really lightweight too, so I feel like I have no product on at all. So for my under eye, I'm using this Rare Beauty concealer in the shade 200C. I'm just going to do it a little bit. I just want to brighten up my under eye a little bit, so just the inner corner and the outer corner here, so I could clean up my eyeshadow. Red?
Yellow.
yellow. Orange. Yellow. Green. She's teaching me colors now. But purple. So as you guys can see, I lift up my eyes a little bit because I put the concealer out of corner and then I just like blend it upwards, slant it like this, to also like clean up my shadow and lift my eyes. So I really love that technique that I use. Now I'm gonna use the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Blur and Under Eye Powder. I really love this powder so much. This is, ooh, bless you. This is how it looks. It has like a little glow to it as well. So I'm gonna use this brush. Really love this powder. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it really like smooths my under eyes, so I freaking love it. All right guys, I am so tight. Look what I did, because I was leaning to get something, and this makeup brush right here has black eyeshadow and I got it on my shirt. Oh, so annoying. So now powdering down my face, I'm using this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Powder Foundation, and I'm in the shade Y235. This is actually my second pan right here, guys, and I really love the sponge that comes with it. So I use this to powder down my face, just a little bit though, since it's a powder foundation. So I'm just using it on areas that I'm like oily, so it's usually around my cheeks and my nose. My forehead is usually fine. What, baby? You can't come here. Hi. Hi. Ay. You look a mess. Okay. Ngồi xuống coi nè, cho nữa. Ngồi xuống coi nè. I give you more. Ngồi xuống. Here. You want? Oh, you okay? Here, I have my makeup brushes. This girl. So now moving on to bronzing, I'm using my favorite, which is the Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer, and I'm in the shade Butter Biscuit. This is how it looks. I really love it. And I'm using a e.l.f. contouring brush. I know it looks a bit crazy right now, but don't worry guys, I'm gonna blend it out with my sponge. Now I'm taking my damn sponge and just blending it out. So I'm like blending it up. Now I'm using my NARS Duo palette. This is the Orgasm Blush and Laguna bronzer. Look at the bronzer, guys. I am almost done. I need to like get a new one. But to go over that cream bronzer, I'm using Laguna, my favorite. Can't forget about my big forehead. And now for blush, I'm gonna use the Orgasm, my favorite as well. I love how it has like a shimmer to it. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I love it. And it has like a little shimmer witch pop, and it actually matched my eyes. And of course, I'm gonna brush a little bit over my nose to get that like sun look. Moving on to my favorite highlighter. This is by Fenty, but this is my favorite highlighter duo right here, guys. So this is Mean Money right here, and this is Hustle Baby, and I usually like mixing it both. Look at that glow, guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. So freaking pretty. You guys see why I love this highlighter? Like, look at it. I look like a freaking goddess. Let me stop. Can't forget about my collarbone, because I like a little pop on my collarbone. So now moving on to my lips. I'm gonna line my lip with MAC Soar. over the lipstick, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Sweet Mouth Gloss Bomb. My favorite gloss bomb ever. Look at that. So now taking off my braids. So this really saved me from like curling my hair, to be honest, because you guys know I take forever to get ready. So I only shower and braid my hair and then take it out whenever I'm ready to go. And it gives me these nice curl, as you guys could see. Freaking love it. Usually I do 4 braids, but I was like kind of lazy, so I only did 2. Alright, just look how pretty the curls came out, guys. Look at that. And then of course I'm just going to separate them with my fingers, like comb through my curls. And of course, if there's like any piece that doesn't look that good, you guys could use a wand and fix it. But I think I am good. And there you guys have it. Look how pretty these curls came out. So there you guys have it. This is my soft pink V-Day glam look and hair. And I am in love. I'm actually really proud of myself, to be honest. I really like how this look came out. I'm definitely will be taking pictures. But yeah, so if you guys love this look, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave any comments down below, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.
You know that you my aura and existence, cause you hold a crown, you hold a crown, yeah. You know that you my aura and existence, cause you hold it down, yeah. You know that you my aura and existence.